Hey guys, my name is Brent, aka Bagel Flows, and today I'm going to be talking to you about this swipe pinch switch trick. So the prerequisite for this trick is a vertical pinch, both directions with either hand you're doing it with. I'm going to be showing you with my dominant hand here. I'm going to start out with a inward vertical pinch, spinning inward with my dominant hand, and then you catch it with your non-dominant hand and send it the other direction once the star bunches up. Then you have a really cool direction switch with the vertical pinch, and it looks pretty seamless. You can also do this the other way by if you're spinning outward in the vertical pinch, for example, and you can send it inward by moving your hand over to the other side of the star and sending it back the other way. It is also good to keep in mind that when you pinch doing this trick, you want to do it closer to the outer edge of the star, just so you have more of the star to work with as it bunches up in your fingers when you pinch with it. Doing this trick, pinching closer to the center of the star, is going to be a lot harder because you have less slack to work with when you're pinching. So start with an inward pinch, stick your hand out, send the star the other way. Let it bunch up on your hand, and then send it back the other way for a clean switch. Let me know if you have any other questions or comments or requests for more tutorials in the comments below. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.